Hi, this is Brittany with Followup CRM, and I'm going to walk you through how to use the Project Management Report Card. First, click on the Report Card tab. Now we see an overview of the entire report card. The first column contains the different stages your jobs could be in. You have the option to view the contents of the card by different filters. So you can filter by any fixed or custom date, by a user, or by the entire company, and finally, by the office or contract type. So here I've filtered for a month's time and just for one user. That means I will see all the projects with that user assigned to them. So now back to the report card. The second column shows the number of projects that are in the corresponding stages. You can use the plus signs to expand on the job details. So here we have a list of jobs that are in pre-construction. You can click on the rest of the stages too to see more detail about those stages. And this is a great way to get a bird's eye view of where you are with all your projects. You can bring this information into a team meeting and get everyone up to speed that way. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helps make your process easier.